How to order items on AliExpress. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application AliExpress and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Over here, different items will be visible to you. Also, you can source for the specific items that you want. So let's say I want to buy these Bluetooth earphones. You can also look into more pictures of the item that you want to buy. You just need to slide left. Once you have selected the specific item, tap on Buy Now at the bottom right corner. You can select the quantity of the items that you want to buy. Well, I just need to buy one, so I have set the quantity to 1. And then tap on Continue. Tap on Place Order. You will need to enter some of your information over here. You will need to enter your name, your phone number, your address, and also the zip code. Once you have entered all of this information, tap on Save at the bottom. Now tap on this Select Payment Method. You can select your specific payment method and then tap on Confirm. You will need to enter your information of your card, and once you tap on Save and Confirm, your order will be successfully placed, and within some period of time, the items that you have ordered will be delivered to you and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is how you order items on AliExpress. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.